In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage permissions in Zoho CRM for users. Managing permissions in Zoho CRM is an essential task if you want to ensure that the right people have access to the right information, and it helps keep your data secure and your operations smooth. Let's dive in and break down the steps you need to follow to manage these permissions effectively. First, you'll want to start by logging into Zoho CRM with admin privileges. This is crucial because only admins have the necessary permissions to access and modify user permissions. Once you're logged in, make your way to the lower left-hand corner of the interface. Here, you'll notice a little wrench icon, which represents the Setup section. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've entered the Setup section, you'll be presented with a range of administrative options. But what you're looking for is the Security Control section. Under this, you'll see an option labeled Profiles. Clicking on Profiles will take you to a page where you can view and manage different user profiles within your CRM. On the Profiles page, you will see a list of existing profiles. You have the choice here to either edit an existing profile or, if necessary, create a new one that aligns with the roles within your organization. To do this, click the appropriate option and open the profile details. Once inside the profile settings, you'll notice that permissions are categorized into modules, fields, and features. Here's where you can customize what each profile can see and do within the CRM. Select or deselect permissions as needed. For instance, you might want a sales representative to access only certain modules related to customer interactions while keeping financial information restricted. Customizing these permissions allows you to tailor the CRM to fit the specific needs and responsibilities of your team members. It's worth noting that these changes are implemented immediately upon selection. This means as soon as you select or deselect a permission, it updates in real time. This feature ensures that you have full control at all times and any adjustments you make are reflected instantly. Remember, managing permissions is not just about restriction, but also about enabling your team to work efficiently by providing them with the tools they need while keeping sensitive information secure. By following these steps, you're well on your way to having a well-managed, secure CRM system that suits your organizational needs. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to our support team. Happy managing!